Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information online? What if I told you there's a way to cut through the noise and find exactly what you need in seconds? Today, we're unlocking the secrets of Search GPT, your new best friend for smarter searching. Stick around because I've got 5 powerful tips that will transform how you search online. Understanding Search GPT. First off, let's break down what Search GPT is. This AI-driven tool understands natural language, which means you can ask it questions just like you would ask a friend. Imagine typing in, "What are the best tips for cooking pasta?" and getting an answer that feels like a conversation rather than just a list of links. The better you grasp how it works, the more effective your searches will be. 2. Optimizing content for Search GPT. Tip number 2 is all about optimizing your content. Use structured data to organize your information. Think of it as labeling boxes so that Search GPT knows exactly what's inside without having to open them. This helps the AI understand your content better. And remember, quality matters. Create content that's not just informative, but also engaging. If people find it interesting, they'll stick around and come back for more. Aim for clarity and value in every piece of content you produce. Keyword strategies. Now, let's dive into keywords. Use natural keywords in your writing, words that people actually search for, but make sure they fit seamlessly into your content. Avoid keyword stuffing. Instead, focus on making your writing flow naturally. Also, consider using long-tail keywords. These are specific phrases like best running shoes for flat feet. They attract more targeted traffic because they match what users are really looking for. Plus, they often have less competition. Tip number 4 is about enhancing user experience. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. Many people search on their phones, so if your site isn't optimized, they might leave before they even see what you have. And don't forget to write in a friendly, conversational tone. This makes your content more relatable and enjoyable for your audience. Remember, you're not just sharing information, you're building a connection. Leveraging user engagement metrics. Next up, let's talk about user engagement. Search GPT pays attention to how users interact with your site. If visitors are spending time on your page or clicking around, it signals that your content is valuable. So encourage comments and shares. Ask questions at the end of your posts or videos to spark conversation. The more engaged your audience is, the better it is for your search rankings. Here's an extra tip. Leverage social media. Share your content across platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to drive traffic back to your site. Building a community around your content can significantly boost engagement. And don't forget to keep your content fresh. Regularly updating your articles not only keeps them relevant, but also signals to Search GPT that you're providing current information. Future trends in SEO. Finally, let's look at future trends. As AI tools like Search GPT evolve, so will our SEO practices. Staying updated on these changes is crucial. Expect more personalized search results based on user behavior and preferences. So there you have it, 5 tips plus some bonus advice for getting the most out of Search GPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. And I want to hear from you. What strategies do you plan to use with Search GPT? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy searching.